ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय कान्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यकोपनिषद पेज नंबर 502 द्वितीय अध्याय अजातशत्रु ब्राह्मण। First line in the Bhashya we saw na prayokshat. Na prayokshat is yujir yoge dhatu. Yujir yoge. And it is kartari lung lakar. I had already told you, but it is in atmanepada. Samaharishyat, upasamharishyat is in parasmaipada. In English, if you want to translate, upasamhar he would not have done, or Shruti would not have done upasamhara in this way. And Shruti would not associate or connect ekadha eva anudrashtavyam also with this. But by connecting with ekadha eva anudrashtavyam, ninda vachanam is also given. Yaiha mrityoso mrityum gacchati yaiha naneva pashyati. Two vikalpas were created. The एकदेश is स्वाभाविक और औपाधिक. एकदेश in परमात्मा. एकदेश कल्पना in परमात्मा is it स्वाभाविक और औपाधिक. आद्यम दूषयति we saw if Paramatma ekadesha is samsari, then Paramatma will become samsari. Dvitiyam utthapayati, second one now. Bhashya. Last line in Bhashya. Atha paropadhikrita ekadeshaha parasya ghata karakadi akashavat. Ekadesha is para upadhikrita. Paramatma doesn't have ekadesha, but because of something else, upadhika ekadeshatva comes in Paramatma. Let us say, like in Akasha, because of Ghata, Ghatakasha, Karaka, Karakada, Karakakasha, Matha, Mathakasha, this Bheda comes. Tika. Ekadeshasya औपाधिकत्व पक्षे परस्मिन् विवेकवतां तद अखंडत्व बुद्धि भाजां तद एकदेशो वस्तुतः पृथक् भूत्वा व्यवहारालंबनम इति नैव बुद्धिर्जायत. If you take ekadeshatvam as aupadikam, then those who are viveki, vivekvatam tad akhandatva buddhi bhajam, those who have Paramatma is akhanda, akhandatva buddhi is there, akhandatva buddhi bhajam, tad ekadesho vastutah prithak bhutva. Akhandatva buddhi bhaja means those who are akhanda buddhi bhat tesham. Tad ekadesho vastutah prithak buddhi. Ekadesha is because of upadhi. Upadhi is different, like ghata is different from akasha. Prithak bhutva vyavahara alambanam. It is only vyavahara alambanam. Iti naiva buddhi jayata. That kind of buddhi doesn't come for them. औपाधिकस्य स्फटिकलौहित्यवन् मिथ्यात्वात् इति उत्तरम्. Because what is औपाधिक is स्फटिकस्य लौहित्य is औपाधिक और स्वाभाविक
औपाधिक.
and that is मिथ्या. स्फटिक लौहित्यवत् मिथ्यात्वात्. उत्तरमाह न तदा तत्र विवेकिनां पर उपाधिकृत 9 नंबर टिप्पणी कल्पित उपाधिकृत. पर उपाधि अन्य अन्य उपाधि इस कल्पित उपाधि. भाष्य न तदा तत्र विवेकिनां परमात्मैक देशः पृथक संव्यवहार भाग इति बुद्धिरुत्पद्यते. In that case, if it is aupadika, for vivekinam tada tatra paramatma ekadesha prithak samvyavahara bhag iti buddhihi na utpadyate. Na is there in the beginning. Viveki will not have this idea that Paramatma is actually different. The different means Paramatma has ekadesha. It is because of upadhi. So Viveki will always understand. Just like Akasha, Gadakasha is different, Mahakasha, that buddhi they will never have. Tika. Nanu जीवे कर्ता हम भोक्ता हम इति परिच्छिन्न धीहि सर्वेषाम उपलभ्यते. All jivas, they have this karta ham bhokta ham, this buddhi. साच तस्य वस्तुतो अपरिच्छिन्न ब्रह्म मात्रत्वात् मंचक्रोशन धीवत उपचरिता. All jivas have this buddhi, karta, bhokta ityadi परिच्छिन्न. So साच तस्य वस्तुतो अपरिच्छिन्न ब्रह्म मात्रत्वात्. वस्तुतः ब्रह्म is अपरिच्छिन्न ब्रह्म मात्रत्वात्. Then how that buddhi is manchakroshana dhivat. Manchakroshana dhi means manchaha kroshanti. Manchaha kroshanti. So in the farms they have the machan, in Hindi they call. They create a stage small, and on top of that you have person like, not a human being, and they make some sounds to keep the birds etc. away or animals away at night also. So somebody will ask, who is shouting right now or who is making noise? Manchaha kroshanti. Manchaha kroshanti means manchastha purushaha in this. So that is upachara. Mancha kroshana dhivad upacharita. Upachara means gauna prayoga, not to mithya bhuta. This is Purva Paksha. Purva Paksha says this is gauna. Like manchaha kroshanti is gauna prayoga. Like that, Paramatma ekadeshatva pruthak samvyavahara is gauna vyavahara, not mithya vyavahara. This is the point. Understood the difference or not? Tasmad ubhayesham. I will explain this. I know people didn't get this. Tasmad ubhayesham uktatma buddhi दर्शनात् परमात्मैकदेशत्वं जीवस्य दुर्वारम इति चोदयति. चोदयति कः? पूर्वपक्षी. उभयेषाम केषाम अविवेकिनां विवेकिनां च. सी इन द भाष्य. अविवेकिनां विवेकिनां च उपचरिता बुद्धिः दृष्टा इति चेत्. पूर्व, सी व्हाट इज आत्मा शब्द प्रयोग इज डन इन 3 places. आत्मा गौण शब्द प्रयोग, आत्मा मिथ्या शब्द प्रयोग एंड आत्मा सत्य शब्द प्रयोग. गौण आत्मा विल बी मम आत्मा भद्रसेन, पुत्रो मम आत्मा, पुत्र इज माय आत्मा, दिस इज गौण. देहात्मा विल बी मिथ्या, मिथ्यात्मा, and Satchidananda Atma will be actual, Sat. So what is the difference between Gauna Atma and Mithya Atma? Jada. Deha is Jada, Putra is also Jada. Gauna is for the... Huh?
Swamiji, both are the same.
You have to give precise answer, huh? Not around. Gauna Mama Buddhi. Mama Buddhi can be there in Mithya also. Online somebody was saying anything? In Gauna Atma, I know the Bheda between me and Bhadrasena or me and Putra, and still I do the Prayoga, Shabda Prayoga. In Mithya Atma, I don't know I am different from body. So Bheda is not known. This is the Mukhya Bhed difference between these two. When I know the difference and yet I do Shabda Prayoga, it is called Mithya Atma. When I don't know the difference and I do Shabda Prayoga, this is called, that is called Gauna Atma. When I don't know the difference and I do Shabda Prayoga, Aham Deha. When I don't know I am not the Deha, but in Gauna also you can have Aham, and in Mithya also you can have Mama. Mama Deha. Na, Avidya Kale also, because Deha has both pratyas, Aham also and Mama also. This is the Mukhya difference given by Bhashyakara. So Purva Pakshi says the Ekadesha in Paramatma is Gauna. Ekadesha in Paramatma is not Mithya. This is the Purva Pakshi's statement. Siddhanti says, न सिटीका तत्र अविवेकिनां यथोक्ता बुद्धिर उपचरिता न भवति अतस्मिन् तद्बुद्धित्वेन अविद्यात्वात् इति परिहरति. भाष्यकार means Siddhanti says, for अविवेकीनां यथोक्ता बुद्धिर उपचरिता न भवति. For aviveki, this kind of buddhi that Paramatma has ekadesha is not upachara matra, means it is not a gauna vakya. What is it? It is adhyasa. Atasmin tad buddhitvena avidyatvad. It is avidya only. So when I understand myself as deha, atasmin tad buddhi is there. In gauna prayoga, I know it is not me. And yet I do the shabda prayoga. Like Simho Manavakaha. You know he is not Simha. Still you do Shabda Prayoga. This is called Gauna. अविवेकी नाम मिथ्या बुद्धित्वात्, अविवेकी है मिथ्या बुद्धि, विवेकी नाम च संव्यवहार मात्र आलंबनार्थत्वात्, and for viveki only it is vyavahar matra alambanam, it is only alambanam for vyavahara. This is the bheda. टीका तथापि विवेकी नाम ईदृशी, not ईदृशा, ईदृशी धी रूपचरिता इति चेत तथा, for viveki such kind of buddhi is there only for some vyavahara. When we say badhita pratyaya for jnani, let us say, so when jnani does deha vyavahara, aham deha or aham gacchami, aham tisthami, aham karomi, he knows this is not him. So when we say badhita pratyaya, badhita by what?
विवेक,
Huh?
बुद्धि,
No, not buddhi. Badhita by aham brahmasmi jnana. So when we say he has his prarabdha bhoga as badhita pratyaya, badhita vyavahara, badha will happen only by aham brahmasmi jnana. So you cannot say it is badhita unless aham brahmasmi jnanam is not there, shining like the sun. Then only those things will be badhita. Like how in the afternoon when the sun is shining now or for next 2 months, all the other stars in the sky are badhita. They are there. They have no presence, no, as good as no existence during the afternoon. Like that, all my other pratyayas, they are badhita. Purushosmi, Sukhi, Dukhi, Krishaha, Sthula, whatever you look up in the sky and you don't see a single thing. Like that, this afternoon we can use for dhyana. See that and remember how prakhar this Surya Prakasha is. Like that, aham brahmasmi prakasha should be there. All my problems, my fear, my this, that, all of that will be badhita. All other vrittis are badhita. All my shoka, moha, bhaya, everything is badhita. In Chandra Prakasha, it is not like that. They all also exist. Chandrama is also there. It is bright. Is kahan? In this now, Chandrama. But that is why it is said, that's why he says, no, Vivekinam cha samvyavahara matra alambanartha. So that pratiti in that satyatva buddhi is to be badhita. If you cannot eliminate satyatva buddhi, that's why some people say there is no jivan mukti, only videha mukti. In some acharyas have not accepted jivan mukti. We can say avidya lesha is there, this, that. But the guarantee of videha mukti will come only from jivan mukti. When a person has this nishchaya while he is alive that I am Brahma, then only you can say, or he himself can say, I am Videha Mukta also. Because at that time, if Videha Mukti Buddhi is not there, Videha Mukta, then later also, I don't know whether I will come back or not. He will think, do you think I will come back? He has to ask somebody else. So that Nishchaya Jnanam should take place. That's why Bhashyakar accepted Jivan Mukti, and Bhashyakar in Vivek Chudamani, etc., you will see how he says, Jnanam is not that I am Jnani. Jnanam is I am Brahma. Brahma doesn't have the Pratiti. The one who has Pratiti is Pramata. So I have to learn to separate myself from Pramata. Or that Pramata, if Pratiti is there, then who knows that Pratiti? So I am the Drashta of that. Like Dukhi yadi bhavet Sakshi, ka Sakshi Dukhi no bhavet. टीका तेषां संव्यवहारो अभिज्ञा अभिवदनात्मकस् तावन् मात्रस्य आलम्बनम् आभासभूतो अर्थस् तद विषयत्वात् तद बुद्धेरपि मिथ्या बुद्धित्वात् उपचरितत्व असिद्धिरित्यर्थः. It is said विवेकिनां च संव्यवहार. संव्यवहार सेकंड नंबर टिप्पणी सेज कर्ता भोक्ता हम इत्यादि रूपस्य संव्यवहार मात्रस्य आलंबनम स्वनिष्ठ कर्तृत्वादि रूपो मिथ्याभूतो विषयो अर्थो एक्सेट्रा. एंड 5 नंबर टिप्पणी, व्हाट इज दैट नंबर, 12 नंबर. व्यवहार व्यवहार 2 आर गिवन. अभिज्ञा अभिवदन. अभिज्ञा मीन्स ज्ञान, शब्द प्रयोग. Sorry, abhignya means jnana, abhivadan means shabda. So jnana shabda prayogatmaka. And what are the other two? Abhignya, abhivadan, then anopadana, artha kriya karitvam. 4 are there. So all such vyavahara, what is that? Abhignya, abhivadan, these 4 are given in Panchapadika. Abhignya, abhivadan atmakas, tavan matrasya alambanam. तावन मात्रस्य आलंबनम. आभास भूतो अर्थ. इट इज ओनली आभास. आभास भूतो अर्थ. Like my pratibimba. So there also you can say pratiti is there, but that pratiti, if I start giving reality, then people will reject me. What is he saying? आभास भूतो अर्थस तद विषयत्वात् तद बुद्धेरपि मिथ्या बुद्धित्वात्. So that its vishaya and that buddhi is mithya buddhi, not upacharitatva. Upacharitatva asiddhi. It is not gauna buddhi, it is mithya buddhi. So it has become mithya on the strength of aham brahmasmi jnana. विवेकिनाम अविवेकिनांच आत्मनि परिच्छिन्न धीर उपलब्धा इति एतावता न तस्य वस्तुतो ब्रह्मांशत्वादि सिद्ध्यति इति एतद् दृष्टान्तेन साधयति. विवेकिनाम अविवेकिनाम च, विवेकी एंड अविवेकी, आत्मनि परिच्छिन्न धी उपलब्धा. Viveki also has this understanding, I am parichinna. Iti etavata na tasya vastuto brahmam shattvadi siddhyati. Iti etad drashtantena sadhayati. Yatha. So what it means is, if a viveki or aviveki, when they have parichinna buddhi, Viveki's parichinna buddhi will be samvyavahara matra alambanartha, means badita. Aviveki will have parichinnatva buddhi with the satyatva idea. This is the bheda. Dehatma bhave nyajadau samana avekatva dehe hrididipta atma. Then
आक्रम्य देहस्य जगत्स सर्वं
आक्रम्य देहंच
देहं च जगत्
जगच्च
सर्वं
सर्वम और पूर्णम.
पूर्णम्
देन परस्य मेयं तनुमात्रमात्मा. So Parichinnatva is in both, but one is Badhita. According to Siddhanta, one is Badhita, another is Satyatva. यथा कृष्णो रक्तश्च आकाश इति विवेकिनाम अपि कदाचित् कृष्णता रक्तता च आकाशस्य संव्यवहार मात्र आलम्बनार्थत्वं प्रतिपद्यते इति न परमार्थतः कृष्णो रक्तो वा आकाशो भवितुमर्हति. Sometimes the akash is dark or sometimes the akash is red. It's not paramartha. So even if a viveki, the one or who knows that akasha is not of this color, but they will use such expression. Or suryodaya, suryasta, we always use such expressions. That doesn't mean we accept that no, actually there is sun rising. It is just appearance. अविवेकिनाम इव इति अपेहे अर्थः. विवेकिनाम अपि means अविवेकिनाम इव. For viveki also, just like how aviveki thinks, like how all this is adhyasa bhashya. If you see adhyasa lakshana he gave atasmi sad buddhi, then this vyavahara is actually from aham idam mamedam iti naisargikoyam loka vyavahara. That vyavahara, that is where this abhignya abhivadan, that is explained in Panchaparika. That is where he brought. Then Balaha talamalinatadi adhyasyanti. So that is here malinata, that Krishna, that part is given. Adhyasa bhashya means not that you just read adhyasa bhashya lines on one day and then you forget. Adhyasa bhashya should be there all the time in my mind. ब्रह्मणि वस्तु तो अंशादि कल्पना न कर्तव्या इति दार्ष्टान्तिकम उपसंहरति. इन ब्रह्म अंशादि कल्पना शुड नॉट बी डन. दैट दार्ष्टान्तिक उपसंहार इज डन. अतो न पंडितैर ब्रह्म स्वरूप प्रतिपत्ति विषये ब्रह्मणो अंशांशी एकदेश एकदेशी विकार विकारित्व कल्पना कार्या. इन ब्रह्म नन ऑफ, सो दीज वर डिफरेंट वादस. Amshamshi, Ekadesha, Ekadeshi, and Vikara, Vikari. None of these kalpana should be there. Tika. Amshamshinor Vishadikaranam Ekadesha, Ekadeshi iti. Amshamshi itself is explained in different words as Ekadesha, Ekadeshi. Vishadikaranam. Avishadam Vishadi Kriyate. That is the Rupa there. Ataha Shabdopattam eva hetum sputayati. Therefore, Shabda Upattam hetu. That what is the reason for this now? Sarva Kalpana Apanayanartha Sara Paratvat Sarvopanishadam. Sarvopanishadam Sarva Kalpana Apanayanartha Sara Paratvat. All Upanishads, they are there only to eliminate all Kalpana. Sarva Kalpananam Apanaya. Sarva Kalpana Apanaya. Apanayanartham means lut pratyaya. Apanayanam, to eliminate. Apanayanartha means Sarva Kalpana Apanaya Prayojanam Yasya. Artha here means in Prayojana Artha. Chaturthi, how we take? Like Bhojanartham Gachati. So bhojanartham means bhojan is the prayojanam. Like bhojanartham. But gam dhatu will govern Dvitiya. So that's why bhojanartham gacchati. Sarva kalpana apanayanaartha sara paratvad. Upanishad sara is this only. Any kalpana Upanishad wants to eliminate. सर्वासां कल्पनानां अपनयनम एव अर्थः सारत्वेन अभीष्टत्वात् अभीष्ट तत्परत्वात् उपनिषदां तद एक समधिगम्ये ब्रह्मणि न कदाचिदपि कल्पना अस्ति इत्यर्थः सारत्वेन अभीष्टत्वात् ब्रह्म is known as Sara. Or what is the Sara of Upanishad? All Kalpana elimination. But when you eliminate all Kalpana, then something will remain. What will remain is the Adhisthana. Otherwise, Shunyavada Apatti will come. Like all these Kalpanas in Vaitathya Prakarana, they are given, Prana iti Prana Vidaha, Kala iti Kala Vidaha. All of them are different Kalpanas. Just like in Rajju, Sarpa, Udakadhara, all these Kalpanas are there. When you remove all Kalpana, Rajju Jnanam has to take place. Otherwise, Kalpanas are removed and nothing is known. That also should not happen. Upanishadam tad eka samadhigamye brahmani na kadachid api kalpana asti ityarthah. Because there the question is, Kovai tesham vikalpakah. What is the karika?
Kalpayatyatmanatmanam.
Before that, the question, Prashna karika is, Kovai tesham vikalpaka is the second part. Anyway, so the answer is this, Kalpayati atmana atmanam atma deva swamaya sa eva buddhyate veda. Who is the Kalpana Ashraya? Brahma. So all Kalpana, when they are eliminated, Brahma should remain. Brahmani, that's why you see Adhikarana Saptami is given. Tadeka Samadhigamye Brahmani na kadachid api Kalpana astitya. Upanishadam nirvikalpaka vastu paratve phalitam aha. If Upanishad is leading to nirvikalpaka vastu, then what should we do? See in Bhashya. Ato hitva sarva kalpanam akashasya iva nirvisheshata pratipattavya. Giving up all kalpanas. Hitva sarva kalpanam akashasya iva nirvisheshata pratipattavya. Then you should, like how Akasha is nirvishesha, Brahma is also nirvishesha. Pratipattavya means Samanartha Shabda Jnatavya. Akashavat sarvagatasya nityaha na lipyate loka dukkhena bahyah ityadi shruti shatebhyah. So there are no sukha dukkhadi in Brahma. You can see Bhagavan Bhashyakar. The actual discussion between Ajatashatru and Balaki, right? It started with Balaki saying, I will teach Brahma, and he showed some Surya Chandra, he said all this is Brahma. Ajatashatru said, I will teach you. He shook that person, woke him up. From there, where we are now, in the discussion of Pratipadana of Brahma. Amsham, Shidis, that all of that is eliminated. Srishti Sthiti Laya is not for Swartha Pratipadanam, is for Ekatva Pratipadanam. In other words, so much thinking can be there if we are available. And then that Jiva is it Jiva Jagat Karanam or not? So earlier his Purvapakshi said Jiva is Jagat Karanam. Then Rao said no, it is not Jagat Karanam. Ishvara is. Then Purvapakshi said yes, Ishvara is, but that Ishvara is different from Jiva. Then Siddhanti said no, That Ishvara, who is not different from Jiva, is Jagat Karana. But not different in which way? Lakshyartha. So all this, how Bhashyakar brings it out. ब्रह्मणो निर्विशेषत्वे अपि आत्मनः तद एकदेशस्य सविशेषत्वं किं न स्यात् इति आशंक्य. Okay, Brahma is निर्विशेष, but आत्मनः तद एकदेशस्य, Atma is the ekadesha of Brahma and Atma is savisesha. Why can't we have this kalpana? इति आशंक्याः. न आत्मानं ब्रह्म विलक्षणं कल्पयेत्. Don't imagine Atma different from Brahma. न कल्पयेत्. उष्णात्मक इव अग्नौ शीतैकदेशं प्रकाशात्मके वा सवितरी तम प्रकाशात्मके वा सवितरी तम एकदेशम सर्वकल्पना अपनयनार्थ सार परत्वात् सर्वोपनिषदाम्. In Agnau, Shita Ekadesham Kalpana is inappropriate. Ushnatmaka Agnau. Agni, which is Ushna, in that Shita Kalpana is not appropriate. And Prakashatmake Savitari, in Prakash Rupa Sun, Tamaha Ekadesham. In Ekadesha there is darkness. All such kalpana, sarva kalpana, apanayana, artha, sara, paratvat, sarvopanishada. All Upanishads are for this. Tasmat. Nama, rupa, upadhi, nimitta, eva, atmani, asamsara, dharmini, sarve, vyavahara. Nama, rupa, upadhi, nimitta, eva, sarve, vyavahara. All this is upadhi. Atmani, asamsara, dharmini. Atmanya, samsara, dharmini, sarve, vyavahara. टीका. आत्मा निर्विशेषश्चेत् कथम तस्मिन् व्यवहार त्रयम् नाम रूप उपाधि निमित्त इति आशंका. आत्मनि सर्वो व्यवहारो नाम रूप उपाधि प्रयुक्त इति अत्र प्रमाणमाह. Now you have to give pramanam. There is a lot of pramana there. रूपम रूपम प्रतिरूपो बभूव सर्वाणि रूपाणि विचित्य धीरो नामानि कृत्वा अभिवदन्यद आस्ते इति एवं आदि मंत्र वर्णेभ्यः. असंसार धर्मिणी इति उक्तम means I should constantly feel that this is addressing me. I am asamsara dharmi. I appear as sarvani rupani vichitya. I am rupam pratirupam. At least that passing thought should be there that, oh, this is talking about me. Not that here I am to listen to some two different objects or two different people. That is not the goal here. अध्यात्म विद्या विद्यानाम असंसार धर्मिणी इति उक्तम विशेषणम विशदयति. असंसार धर्मिणी, परमात्मा इज असंसार धर्मी. न स्वतः आत्मनः संसारित्वम अलक्तकादि उपाधि संयोग जनित रक्त स्फटिकादि बुद्धिवद भ्रांतमेव न परमार्थतः. न स्वतः आत्मनः संसारित्वम किंतु औपाधिकम. अलक्तम, you know what is alakta? That red, in the olden days, you know, when they used to make parcels, even now probably, they put a cloth and then they put that red thing, lak. That is called alakta, alaktaka. Adi upadhi sanyoga janita rakta. That redness is because of the upadhi. Rakta spatikadi buddhivad भ्रांतमेव, इट इज भ्रांति ओनली, न परमार्थतः, इट इज नॉट एक्चुअल. Now ध्यायति इव, लेलायति इव, it comes. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.